comes the sun, it's going to be lovely. So I'm just kind of looking at things and trying to make a few decisions, and it's a bit scary, to be honest. They are ready. Come on! Good morning. So today is Wednesday the 15th of December, and I'm just having a look at things like the grass to work out whether to give the sheep move to some fresh grass, because some of the land that we've got has been resting, and I think that they're ready. Plus some of the other fields have got feeders in, so once we start giving them hay, it'll be more straightforward to feed them hay in those other fields. So I'm just kind of looking at things and trying to make a few decisions, and it's a bit scary, to be honest. I feel a bit like I don't like making these decisions on my own. I kind of want someone's reassurance. So I'm going to ask a couple of farming friends if they can give me some advice on it, and then I'm going to make a decision based on their advice. In terms of the weather, it didn't rain yesterday. Wow. So today it's also looking dry, and I think we're over the worst of it. I think we've got some drier conditions, so that will make a big difference, and it's a lot nicer underfoot. So here are the ewes. They'll be happy that the weather has sorted itself out quite a bit. They seem content. They're not sort of racing towards me like they think that they're desperate to move on, but I do think it is perhaps getting to be the time for them to move on. We do have a bit more choice grazing for them now. They've still got their energy buckets, which I'll keep giving them throughout the winter time. But yeah, I think I'm trying to do what Dad would have done, and I'm trying to think what would he have done. And I think about this time we did move these sheep, so hopefully that's going to be the plan that we will stick with. So it's just getting to be sunrise time of day, which is after 8 o'clock in the morning. Now at this time of year, the days are getting really short as we're heading towards the shortest day on the 21st. But it is a nice morning, nice and still, not raining, so the sheep are looking all right. And this is the first proper break in the cloud that we have had for a long time. It's got to be well over a week, if not more like nearly 2 weeks probably, since we had all of this blue sky. We've been under so much heavy cloud, so much rain. Thank goodness that it's a bit better, a lot better now. So I'm putting together some things to put into the coffin with Dad. So I thought some of the hay that we made this year, some twine, some lambing rings, a candle because he liked candles, a note that I found, Dale Farm postcard, and in the summer I pressed some flowers from the garden. So I think I'm going to put some of those in because he loved the garden and it preserves something from the last year. Come on! They are ready. Come Right, can you count them, Nick?
Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21.
Go on! So this is their new bit, which looks nice and green for them. A little bit closer to home, which is nice for me to keep an eye on. And it looks like good grass, so hopefully they will enjoy that and thrive off of that. And if the weather stays mild, it'll be good for the grass. So good work. So it is the next morning now. The sun is just rising. You can see the sheep are enjoying life in the new field. The sun is just trying to break out from the cloud. My chat with Richard, our friend, was really helpful. I'm very lucky that people are giving us their time and giving us their advice, particularly when it comes to the cows at this stage. They are the primary cause of concern. There's quite a lot of work to do with the cows, so that is what is going on. As long as the livestock are happy, then I can breathe a sigh of relief. Doris is the first one on the scene. It's one of life's great pleasures, watching the sheep eat and hearing the sound of them and smelling the smell of the sweet hay. It's Friday the 17th of December. It's 10 to 8 in the morning. Sunrise is 8:16 today. Sunset is about 3:48, and it's a foggy, frosty morning. And today is also the day where we will be laying Dad's body to rest at Little Longston Chapel, but for now it's just an ordinary morning of checking round. I think there might be ice on the troughs. Started giving the sheep a little bit of hay now, so going to do that first and enjoy the solitude. So yesterday put some bales in those small hay cratches there, and they've eaten it all, so I'll give them some more today. So here comes the sun, it's going to be lovely. a little break in the cloud, and just going to enjoy this moment.